Apparently there's a landslide east of Mandi. Almost 12 hours to get here. Almost 12 hours. Wow. So good. Good morning. Smells good. I'm on a local bus from the old Shimla bus station going to the new Shimla bus station. This bus goes to Kulu, which is 1 hour short of Manali. It's an ordinary local bus and the cost is 469 rupee. It's 12:05. We are departing Shimla. We're on our way to Kulu. And once we get to Kulu, I have to see whether there's a bus to Manali. It's 6:02 p.m. Apparently there's a landslide east of Mandi. I'm not sure if I can get to Manali tonight. From here to Manali is 110 kilometers. Okay, 10 o'clock. We just arrived in Kulu. We're changing bus for Manali. It's 11:47. Just arrived in Manali. Almost 12 hours to get here. Almost 12 hours. Good morning, it's 9:30 a.m. I'm in Manali. This is a roommate hostel and cafe. It's a pretty nice place. I'm at the altitude of 2012 meters currently. This is chicken momo. 150 rupee. Comes with a river view. I am doing an easy trek to Goshal. It's very close from the old Manali. Just trying to get myself acclimatized to the altitude. And this friendly dog started following me. I think he's gonna be my guide today. Nice to meet you, buddy. It's 11:37 a.m. I am in this village of Goshal. It's a very small village. You can see the traditional house structure. A lot of stones, as you can see here. Haven't seen a house structure like this before with a big stone slab. Very interesting. Hi buddy, how are you? Hi buddy, Hi guys. So cute. Yeah, I'm gonna try this apple. It's actually pretty good. I am at Manali Nature Park. Such a beautiful looking park with beautiful looking trees. Wow. So peaceful here. I can hear the river to my left. This Manali Nature Park is such a beauty. Wow. I am at Manali Mall Road Square. It's a pretty busy area. And this is masala milk. This is jamun. This is pav bhaji, butter pav bhaji, 120 rupee. I'm at Tirupati South Indian Cafe in Old Manali. Namaste. It's 11:35. This is a Himalayan yak. I've never seen a yak in my life. I am at the famous Hidimba temple in Manali. This is a must-visit temple when you come to Manali. I bought this Himachali regional hat for 80 rupee. I am at a Buddhist temple in Manali. I am at Vaishnav Food Corner in New Manali. Order kadai milk, 60 rupees. Jalebi, 60 rupees, 4 pieces. Alright, my first time trying both. Let me see how sweet it is. It's crunchy. Probably not healthy, but it's very tasty. Very good. This milk is very hot.